Hey, I'm Nick, and today I'll be unboxing the AstroAI C1 cordless tire inflator. As I open the box, I get to see everything that's included in one organized set. We've got the rechargeable battery pack and charging cable, a bag of accessories with a few different nozzles, and of course, the tire inflator itself. It looks like it ships with a 12-volt car adapter already attached to it. The plug is easy to find and the cable is almost 10 feet long. It's super easy to switch from car power to battery power. All I have to do is press this button, slide off the adapter, and replace it with the included battery. This inflator is versatile. With its cordless design, I could inflate floaties by the pool, my car tires on the trail, and even a few bike tires. Why don't we get out of here and take it for a test run? Using this tire inflator is a breeze. It has 4 preset inflation modes for inflating bicycle, motorcycle, and car tires, along with a mode for inflating balls. If you know the exact pressure you want, manual mode lets you set any pressure between 3 and 150 psi. Thanks to its automatic inflation and shutoff, all I have to do is connect the hose, set the inflation mode, and wait a few minutes. The inflator automatically starts inflating and shuts off when it reaches preset pressure. While it's inflating, I can use its LCD screen to track inflation progress in PSI, bar, kPa, and kilograms per centimeter squared. On top of all that, it even has a built-in flashlight for low-light inflation. No matter where you go or what you inflate, the AstroAI C1 cordless tire inflator can keep up on all of life's adventures.